Hello, good morning, people. Hope you are doing well, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going out, and here I'm using the metro, and now I am in the metro station inside. Look at that, travel letters. I'm in. Let's do this together. And there we go. Look at the travel letter. The travel letter is very long, guys, I'm telling you. And the metro station is looking very amazing. Very amazing. Very beautiful. Look at the paintings. Look at the cleanliness of the metro station. Very clean. Very amazing. Very beautiful, what I say. Wow, it's very long. Very long. The travel letter is very long. I'm traveling. Ooh, look at that. The far I'm coming from and the far I'm going. Guys, I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm going out. Wow, the far I'm coming from. Wow, the travel letter is very long. Very long. I'm telling you, guys. And today I am alone inside the metro station because it's weekdays. It's on Wednesday. Way I out to Lake Tafia. Now I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm going out to where I'm going. You understand, guys? Don't get confused. I am inside the metro station, so I'm changing the metros. Look at that. Now I will take the escalator up. I will go up. Remember, I'm going out. It's showing the way out. Wow. It's another escalator, travelator. Look at that. It's very long. Oh, it's me there. Now I'm using the escalator. Going down. Down again. Down again. Remember, I'm changing the metros. Look at that. Now I prefer using the escalator than using the lift. That is the lift I showed you there. Now I'm going to the train. Remember, guys, I told you before, I'm changing the metros. Now I will go to the train. To the train. I know you're getting confused. If you have ever used the metros, you understand. Look at that. Now it's when I'm seeing two people coming to the whole metro station. I am alone. Look at another travelator. They are very long. But for me, I've decided only to stand and travelator to do his work. Its work. You can walk. You can decide to walk or you can decide to stand. So for me, I decide to stand. Look at the beautiful of it. Oh gosh, guys, my guys, I'm telling you, this place is beautiful. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Very beautiful, very amazing. The sign shows to the metro, to the metro, to the metro. Remember, I'm going to the metro, to the train. I mean, to the train. Sorry, guys. To the train. I am in the metro already. Now I'm going to the train. I want to catch up another train to where I'm going. Look at the travel letters. I took another travel letter again. That's another one. Don't get confused. There was two guys coming at the back, so I decided to let them pass so that I can at least you can see people with me. There were two. This is the place I'm coming from, and this is where I'm going from. You can see it's very long. Look at it. I wish you guys you come and visit Qatar and see how the beautiful of Qatar is. Qatar is very beautiful. Qatar is very smart. Qatar is very clean, very safe. This is what I like with this country. But it's very hot. Very, 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 very hot. And here is inside, but it looks like it's outside. Imagine it's 12 p.m. It's weekdays, that's why you're not seeing people. Now this is my card, my metro card. I will go to tap. I will tap, guys. I will tap. Why together? If you tap the card, I got we have it's I think 60, 70 shillings. And that I'm taking another estimate up. Now I'm going up and outside. Up and outside. This place there is escalator, stairs. Yeah, there is escalators. I decided to use escalator and lift. The lift is there, as you can see. That is
Also,
the
we
lift. That
have
is the lift.
stairs.
This is the stairs. There's a different stairs. It's very long. Stairs is very long. But the less people like me cannot
Swimming going down.
not me alone. So many people they can't use the stairs. They use the escalator lift.
Out and about. Out and about.
Outside.
Wow. Out and about. I'm out in Qatar.
Out and about.
Guys, I'm out in Qatar. This is Qatar. That is, let me view the view hospital. The view hospital. I cannot forget the history of this.
That is the view. I've zoomed the view hospital, the view hospital, the beautiful the view.